In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a voice from the library in ElevenLabs quickly and easily. Whether you're tidying up your voice lab or simply revamping your collection of voices, this guide will walk you through the steps needed to streamline your library with precision and ease. To begin, make sure you have access to your ElevenLabs account and then head over to your voice lab. Opening Voice Lab is our first crucial step. Once you've logged in and navigated to the Voice Lab section, you will see a list or grid of all the voice files available in your library. It's basically your control center for managing all your voices, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first time here. Next, it's time to identify the specific voice you wish to remove. Simply hover your cursor over the voice you want to get rid of. As you do this, you will notice that additional options will likely appear on the screen, giving you more control over what you can do with that particular voice. This hover action is a handy feature that keeps your workspace clean and only reveals options when needed, so you can focus purely on the task at hand. Once you've hovered over your desired voice, look for the trash icon. The trash icon is universally recognized as the delete or remove function, and here in the ElevenLabs interface, it works the same way. Go ahead and give that trash icon a click. Doing this alerts the system of your intention to delete that voice. But don't worry about accidentally removing something. You'll have a chance to review that decision. After you've clicked on the trash icon, a confirmation prompt will pop up. This might look like a dialog box asking if you're sure you want to proceed with the removal. It's a useful safety feature designed to prevent any accidental deletions, giving you peace of mind, especially if you're in a library filled with many similar voices. Take a moment to ensure that the voice you've selected is indeed the one you wish to remove. Once certain, go ahead and confirm the voice removal by clicking Yes, or whichever button indicates your agreement to delete. And that's it. By completing these steps, you've successfully removed a voice from your library in ElevenLabs. Remember, managing your voice collection efficiently not only helps streamline your workflow, but also enhances overall productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more useful tips, and leave a comment if there's something specific you'd like us to cover next time. Happy editing!